Hello students, welcome back to Infinity Math Studio, Basics to Brilliance. I am Mr. Pranay. In today's video, I will solve 2 more questions from Telangana SSC Board Exams 2026 Maths question paper. So stay tuned, watch full video without skipping. Before this, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Without further delay, we will get back to the question paper. First question in the question paper is find the value of log 64 to the base root 2. This particular question can be solved in 2 different ways. I will explain both methods. The first method is a traditional method where we use prime factorization of 64, which is written as 2 power 6 and the base root 2, and that is equals to 6 times or 6 into log 2 to the base root 2. This step I wrote because I have formula log x power n is equals to n into log x. Next, the step is 6 into log, since I have base root 2, so let me convert this 2 in terms of root 2. For that I write root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square is nothing but 2. So the base is 2. Again here I apply the same rule. So I get 6 into 2 into log root 2 to the base root 2. Now if you observe, the number and the base both became same. So here I apply log a to the base a is equals to 1 rule. So 6 to 12 into this log part became 1. So 12 ones are 12. That's all. This is the traditional method. Now let me explain you a simple method. Here I will explain. We need to know the formula. The formula is log of a power m to the base a power n is equals to m divided by n. This is what the formula. Now how to reduce the given log into this form? Let me explain you. So first I write log 2 power 6 to the base root 2 as it is. Now here we need to understand one thing. If I have root x, this is radical form. If I convert it into exponential form, the base is x and the exponent becomes 1 by 2. So similar logic if I apply here to the base, I have log 2 power 6 to the base 2 power 1 by 2. Now if you observe very carefully, here a and here a both are same. Similarly here 2 and 2 both are same. Now m we have 6, n we have 1 by 2. So I write 6 by 1 by 2, which is nothing but 6 into 2, that is 12. Got it? Now if you write any of these both methods, you will get 2 marks. Now the second question is check whether the given pairs of linear equations in 2 variables, that are 2x minus 3y is equals to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equals to 11 are consistent or not. Consistent in the sense intersecting lines. Okay, right. Now first of all let us convert these 2 equations into standard form. Standard form in the sense a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Right? Now 2x as it is. Now here minus 3 is written as plus of minus 3y, and here plus 8 transposed to LHS, it becomes minus 8. That minus 8 I am writing it as plus of minus 8 is equals to 0. And the second equation 4x minus 6 is written as plus of minus 6y, and plus 11, if I transpose to LHS, it becomes minus 11 and is written as plus of minus 11 is equals to 0. Now here I have a1, is equals to 2, A2 is equals to 4, next B1 is equals to minus 3 and B2 is equals to minus 6. Write very carefully. C1 is equals to minus 8 and C2 is equals to minus 11. Now we have all 6 coefficients. Now let's compare their ratios. A1 by A2 is equals to 2 by 4. Let's cancel these things. 2 ones and 2 twos. So the answer is 1 by 2. Next ratio, B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is minus 3 by minus 6. Now here both minus gets cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Answer is 1 by 2. Next final ratio, C1 by C2 is equals to minus 8 by minus 11. Now here both minus gets cancelled and the left out the fraction is 8 by 11. Now compare 3 ratios, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Both are equal and 8 by 11 is not equal. So from above ratios, what we write? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Now this relation tells that the given pair of linear equation, is inconsistent, not consistent. They are inconsistent. That means they are parallel lines, they don't have any solution. This is how we solve this problem. Now the third question is related to applications of trigonometry. Here we need to draw a diagram. Now first of all, before beginning, we draw a horizontal which resembles the ground level. Let it be A, B. Okay. Now we need a tree, right? Now here I draw a vertical line which is perpendicular to AB, which resembles the tree. Now let it be C. Here the angle will be 90 degrees. Now from point A, observer is observing the top of the tree, which is point C, at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. And now he gave observer A is 30 meters away from the foot of the tree. B is the foot of the tree, right? Now this is the final diagram. If you want, you can highlight this way. This is the line of sight. It is completely optional. If you write, you will get the impression of the evaluator. Now BC is the height of the tree. This much if you write, you will get 2 marks for sure. Now the fourth question is related to trigonometry. Is asking us to express cot theta in terms of sin theta. For this, first we need to know the formula of cot theta. Cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. So we write cos theta by sin theta. Alright. Now this one formula. The second formula we need to know the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So we need to change this cos theta. So from here I write cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Now if you apply square root, cos theta value will be under root 1 minus sin square theta. So in place of cos theta, I can write 1 under root 1 minus sin square theta. So now here cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Now in place of cos theta, I write under root 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. That's all. Very simple. Now, these rules must be written compulsory to get full marks. Now, fifth question. This is related to similar triangles chapter and the concept name is basic proportionality theorem. Okay, right. We'll see. In question he gave in triangle ABC, DE line is parallel to BC, and he gave AD is equal to x, BD is equal to x minus 1, AE is equals to x plus 2, and EC is equals to x. Then we need to find the value of x. No problem. In triangle ABC, he gave DE is parallel to BC. Now, by basic proportionality theorem, DE divides AB side and AC in the same ratio. That is what the basic proportionality theorem statement. I will repeat it for your sake. In a triangle, if DE, this line, is parallel to BC, then this DE line will divide this AB and AC in the same ratio. This is what your basic proportionality theorem statement is. Now that implies ratio, I have to write like this, AD by BD. This one, see here in the diagram I will show AD by BD. Same, we have to take AE by EC is equals to AE by EC. Now just substitute the values. AD he gave x, by BD x minus 1, AE given as x plus 2, and EC given as x. Just go on simplifying, transpose and multiply. So x into x, this x comes here, x into x. Now this denominator goes to RHS numerator. So x plus 2 into x minus 1. Right? Next step, x into x becomes x square. Here we need to apply distributive property. X into x is x square. And x into minus 1 is minus x. Next, plus 2 into x plus 2x plus 2x, and plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Here x square and x square on both sides gets cancelled. Now left out thing is 0 is equals to minus x plus 2x gives x, and remaining minus 2 as it is. Now if I transpose this minus 2 to this side, it becomes plus 2 is equal to s. The same, I write x is equals to 2. That's all. It's very simple, right? Now the last question, sixth one, it is related to probability. He asked us to give one example for sure event. Sure event, the name itself tells that it is going to happen for sure, compulsory. So we'll take a random experiment. In a random experiment, okay, what is that random experiment? Of throwing a ball upwards. Okay, so randomly I have thrown a ball upwards. Then what happens? Then the event of ball falling down is a sure event, right? So when you throw something upwards, definitely it will fall back, right? So this is an example of sure event. In this way you can write any other example also. Next, impossible event. Impossible in the sense it must not happen, it will never happen. So again, in a random experiment, of rolling a die. This time we will take rolling die. Experiment of rolling a dice. The event of getting a number greater than, guess what? 6. Greater than 6 is an impossible event. Why? Why this becomes an impossible event? If you knew, let me know in the comment section. Okay students, that's all for today's video. Let's meet in another video where I will be solving all short answer questions. Till then, this is Mr. Pranay. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.